So echoey, isn't it?
Yeah. So, we have bought our first ever home, like our proper home, our first house, which is so exciting, and we collected the keys today, so we have completed, and we're moving in a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So it's a super exciting day for me and Sam's torso. We have just been cleaning. It was obviously already quite clean, but we just gave it a quick clean, and we've got these beautiful flowers from our estate agent, and we're going to do an empty house tour, aren't we?
Why not? Go on then.
Go on then, stop it. My wedding rings are being serviced and cleaned, by the way, you know, if you're wondering where they are. We are still married. And if you are completely new here, then we have lived together for like 5 years already, haven't we? And we've been together for 13 years?
Almost, yeah.
Almost 13 years. And we got married last winter, so we've nearly been married for a year as well. So yes, that's a little bit of a background if you're completely new to my videos and this channel. And we've finally bought our first home after renting in flats in Nottingham and in London as well. So we have finally made the move out of the city. I haven't even said where we've moved to.
No.
Where have we moved to?
We're in Surrey.
We're in Reigate in Surrey, and we love it.
So nice here. It's so much more peaceful than London.
I know, and you're getting some sneak peeks into what the house is like. But yeah, let's do a house tour.
All right, let's do it.
Welcome to our home. Can you see me?
Yeah.
So we're obviously not going to film the front of the house for obvious reasons, and it is a newly refurbed property, so it's quite like modern-ish and new, so we don't need to do anything immediately, like it's not a huge renovation project or anything, but of course we're going to be changing things and painting things and doing various things, so yes. I'm excited! I haven't even said, let's just give the lowdown, that it's a 3-bedroom house. I didn't say that, and it's got 2 bathrooms, which is so exciting. Okay, so this is obviously the hallway. We've got room to put some shoes and things. And then you come through into our front room lounge, which is very echoey, obviously, so we have no furniture. But it's this nice big space, and we love this kind of like window, like, what do you call this? It's called
Bay window, yeah.
Bay window. Obviously that's back up to the hall. Excellent camera work. And then you have a little under the stairs cupboard. You don't need to show them that, it's a little bit boring, but that is always handy.
Always useful.
Storage.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, pop the Hoover and stuff in there. We've ordered our sofa to go here, which we're really looking forward to. And yeah, obviously we've got no furniture at the moment. Lights. And then you come through to the main event. We have the kitchen with this big counter space. Hello. And then behind where you're standing, to do a little 360. Then we're going to get a big fridge to go here, and obviously that's back through to the lounge, just from perspective. There's no door here, but you know, open plan living. And we're going to get a drinks cabinet as well, because needs must. And then this is like kind of like a dining room space. We're going to put a big dining table here. We've got room to put some bar stools here, so we can have breakfast at the breakfast bar. And we might put like a little sofa or chairs here, so we've got like a casual, comfy space. We're going to put our TV in the front room and make that more of like a cozy lounge, and then this is more of a like big dining table and just like social, chatting, reading kind of area. And we have a garden for the first time ever. Can you tell how excited I am, by the way? Which is out here. So we have these big patio doors, and I think they open all the way out, which is amazing. And also these skylights, which I didn't mention before, but you could probably see, which is a really great feature because it's got really lovely light and really nice light fittings. But we've got a massive south-facing garden and a new patio, but the garden's a mess and needs lots of work, so that is our project for 2021. And it's raining right now. So let's shop this. I keep forgetting there's a step here. It's quite a big step. Should we go upstairs?
Okay.
I've already lit a candle because absolute priorities. And we've finally got a gas hob because all our hobs since we lived in flats I think have been electric, which I don't love. But yeah. Welcome to floor number 1. It is 2 floors, 3 floors? 3 floors including the ground floor, which we also love, and it's going to keep me nice and fit walking up all the stairs. So you come up to the first landing, and straight away on the right we have the like smallest bedroom, which is like kind of like your box room. So I'm so out of breath, oh my god, just from the stairs. So we'll probably use this as a little study, storagey type room, and then perhaps one day it'll be a nursery.
Not yet though.
Not yet. Not yet though. No, don't get too excited. Yeah, and then obviously windows. And then straight ahead we have the bathroom. I won't turn the light on actually because it's got a fan, so it'll be loud. I love this bathroom. Obviously already listed on the candle. Toilet, bath, and a separate shower. Obviously we need to put loads of mirrors and stuff in. But I love the sink size. Ooh,
Nice.
powerful. Put some soap in, and we've got a little under the sink cupboard. We also need to figure out our like storage and mirrors and everything. And also he painted all the walls like this weird, there's a tower in here too.
Oh, very nice.
I like that all the doors are white because you don't get that in many places.
Yeah.
But he did paint all the walls this like weird brown colour.
Can we not?
Yeah, it's just annoying that it's not white, but we'll get on that. Oh, it's white in here actually, strangely.
Yeah.
The hall's all white. And the carpet is quite dark, but it's really soft, it feels amazing, and it's new and it doesn't show the dirt, so it's fine for now. And this is the second bedroom, I guess, which is quite a good space. We're probably going to put like a double bed in here, maybe like a sofa bed. So it's mainly like a sofa, and then it comes out as a bedroom when you have guests. And then we've also got a cupboard in here, like an inbuilt cupboard, which is quite handy. That's the second bedroom, and then should I put the light on?
Oh.
Although the walls look really brown when you turn the light on. Icky. And then we go up another floor. Don't want to flash you. We have a another little storage cupboard here as well, which you could I could probably stand in this. Oh god, that doesn't feel very safe. That felt like it was going to fall through. Can you imagine?
I'm sure it's fine. Actually, but because it's kind of like a box, I wonder what's underneath that.
I don't know, but it's pretty. It scared me actually. I thought I was going to fall through it. Anyway, that's handy to have. And then we go up these stairs. Ta-da! And there's another skylight up there. Can you even see that?
Yeah.
So when you come up to the top of the stairs, you can see the skylight. And then straight at the top of the stairs is our bathroom. So we've got another bathroom, which is insane. And I didn't think we'd be able to find this. So we've got another shower. Oh. In here,
Nice.
which is very nice. Another toilet, another towel rail behind the door, which is handy. And then we're not sure, like, because this is next to the master bedroom where we would sleep, we're not sure if we will use this because the sink is really small. So you know when you're like, do we really want to both brush our teeth here? We might end up using the downstairs one more and then just use like, I don't know, the shower and the toilet, but it's great to have both, especially when you have guests. Then you come into the final room of the house, which is our master bedroom, which is like a loft conversion type room. So we don't have a loft, but we're going to hopefully get a shed built in the garden for some extra storage. But we've got these like eave windows, which we love, like skylight windows.
Skylights, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. And then there's some eaves storage in here, which actually, don't show them because it's boring, but it goes like all the way around, so it's actually quite a lot of storage.
Very handy.
Yeah, and then we've ordered a king size bed, which is going to go here. I need to move that light smidge. And then the rest of the room, luckily, is like normal, because I know a lot of loft conversions have 2 sloping sides, which isn't the best sometimes, because like headspace, you're quite tall and stuff.
This is called a dormer. It is extended.
Yeah, but this is cool. It's extended out this way, so we've got a normal windows. We need to like get some like inbuilt wardrobes because we've got a lot of clothes and we need space, but we're not sure quite how it's going to work. But hopefully we can have like some wardrobes here and a dressing table and maybe get some cupboardy space built there as well around our bed. But yeah, those are all the rooms. I look really shiny, I'm really hot. Whew, it has just started raining though. It was a really beautiful day earlier and we were like, yay, the sun's come out for us, and now it is rainy.
What a shame.
What a shame. Should we go back downstairs?
Yeah.
I literally cannot believe that we have stairs. But if we go back down, going downstairs in my house, in our house. Don't forget that it's ours. Or is it just yours?
mostly mine.
Hey, it's ours.
We went
Our
50-50.
house. Yeah, let's go all the way down. Oh my god, the candles that I lit smell amazing. We need to paint this banister white. This wasn't here when we bought the house. I have no idea. He must have had to put it in for regulations. Oh my god, it's so echoey, sorry.
Yeah, downstairs, once the furniture is in, it must be much softer.
We are going to Giggling Squid tonight in Reigate, which is a very delicious Thai restaurant. So we're going to celebrate, and then, like I said, we're not moving in for another 2-ish weeks. I'm gonna put you down over here. So, obviously with moving, that means there's gonna be loads more exciting vlogs exploring a new area. And we're really near like green space and woods and stuff here. And Reigate is so lovely. We already went to like a really nice coffee shop earlier. And yeah, it's gonna bring lots of exciting videos like moving vlogs and Sam slamming the doors and decorating, and it's gonna be really exciting. It's gonna feel quite stressful and overwhelming, as it always does when you are moving, because it's quite a stressful thing to do. And obviously we're going to be like sleeping on a mattress for a while without the furniture. But yeah, it is super exciting. I cannot believe that we have bought a house.
I know, it's so
Can you
exciting.
believe it? It is literally insane.
Well, I can believe it, yeah.
Yeah, because it's happened. But we got I did a vlog a few vlogs ago that said we may or may not have put an offer in a house. And that was this house. So we put the offer in, it eventually got accepted in June. And now here we are! So exciting! So we are super excited for this next chapter, and I think I'm going to finish the video here, and then we can do some sort of like moving Q&A or just like vlog a little bit more, to talk about more detail near the time. But yeah, let's end the video here.
Yeah, keep it short and sweet.
So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and to make sure that you don't miss any of our moving and decorating vlogs and all the exciting stuff that's to come. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it.
Let's be having a thumbs up.
And we will see you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.